Here's how to use multi-instance and sync on LDPlayer. Open the Multi-Instance Manager from the desktop shortcut or LDPlayer's toolbar. Create the instances you need. Clone an existing setup to copy apps and settings, or create a fresh instance for a clean start. Assign a reasonable amount of CPU cores and RAM to each instance, and choose a resolution your system can handle comfortably. Name each instance clearly so you can tell them apart later. Launch your instances from the manager, starting them one by one if your system is mid-range to reduce slowdowns. Wait until each instance reaches its home screen and becomes fully responsive. Then sign in and open the apps or games you want to mirror. In your main control instance, look at the right-hand toolbar and open the Synchronizer panel. Select the target instances that should receive your mirrored input, then click Start in the Synchronizer. From this point on, every click, drag, and keystroke you make in the main window will be replicated across all selected instances simultaneously. Keep the main window focused for consistent results, and turn off sync before typing anything sensitive. You can pause or stop synchronization anytime from the same panel. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.